Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now. Make sure the phone has enough battery and is powered on. You need the keypad unlocked. Press Menu, then navigate to Settings or Setup using arrow keys. Once inside Settings, move to Connectivity or Wireless. This groups Bluetooth with other radios. You do this because older Samsung Keypad phones hide radios under Connectivity, so finding that menu quickly saves time. When you see Bluetooth listed, pause, do not activate yet. Prepare the second phone or headset for pairing. You enable Bluetooth by highlighting the Bluetooth entry and pressing OK. Select Turn On or Enable. Once enabled, choose Visible or Discoverable so the other device can see your phone. This prevents failed pair attempts. Make note of the device name displayed. Sometimes it uses a model number. If there is a timeout option, set it to a longer period while pairing. You do this because discoverability windows are short on keypad phones, and extending it avoids repeated retries. You complete pairing by scanning on the other device, selecting your phone name, and confirming the matching PIN when prompted. On the keypad phone, enter or accept the displayed PIN and press OK to allow the connection. Once paired, test with a small transfer or audio stream to confirm functionality. If pairing fails, make sure both devices are discoverable. Then restart both devices and repeat the steps. This clears stuck Bluetooth states and solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.